Hello everyone, today we're going to be making tofu scramble. Everything you'll need is right here. You'll have some mushrooms, some onions, some green peppers, some firm tofu, salt, pepper, nutritional yeast, cumin, some whole sesame seeds if you'd like, smoked paprika, some turmeric, and finally but not least, garlic powder. Now you're going to start by heating a pan over medium heat. You can use oil, but in my case I used a little bit of water. Once the pan and the oil is all heated up, you can start by adding the mushrooms and the onions first, and just stir around, make sure it's all even throughout the pan. After about 3 minutes, you're going to want to add your bell pepper and stir that in. After about another 3-5 minutes, you can add the tofu. You're basically just going to crumble it in your hands and allow it to just make like a scramble. And just try to coat that evenly, and then we are going to add the spices on top of this. I start with the nutritional yeast. You're about to do 2 tablespoons of that, and for the rest of the spices I do just about 1 teaspoon. And then you are just going to stir everything together to get all the flavors incorporated. Depending on how you're cooking this, you may want to add a little bit of more water to make sure everything is moist. And you're going to allow this to cook for about 10 more minutes. In the last minute of cooking, you're going to want to add the whole sesame seeds. I just add like a little splash on top, and just spread that all around, and you're pretty much done. And here it is when it's all done. Nice bright yellow and a little bit of green in there. Feel free to serve this any way you'd like. I had it with some salsa and toast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.